Have you ever thought that I've been reading this book and I need to go do something else, but I forgot where I last left off, and you'd really like to hold that spot? Well, I've been trying to figure that out too. So at first I thought I could just shove something in there. It worked perfectly fine. But then I need something a little bit different. Well, let's try something else. Ooh, a chisel. Ah, a saw. We're getting closer. How about a child's hand? Okay. Let's make something for this. And that's why I invented the Hold Your Placer. And yeah, the name, it's still in progress. Thin piece. Make that a little shorter. Ta-da! So now I want it to go, and except for I want to make this one a little thinner, and we can then make a bookmark. Sarku. One piece.
So what's up with this straw thing?
Bookmark. It's like Neapolitan bookmark. Okay, there we go. I go over to this side. Let's go like there. Getting down into the chocolate. Like that. Don't break the wood. Here we go. There we go. Now, can I get it off of the tape? This is where we find out. No. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, I need a wider chisel. Now, can we get it off? Musical instrument too. Oh, that works. This is the delicate one. Look at the grain on that. That's pretty. That's cool. I like that, the gray fleck there. That's a rather pretty wood. And now for the main event. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. So there you have it. These are a lot of fun. We have one with the zebra wood, the Neapolitan wood, and curly white oak. Some of my favorite woods, and these are great because you can make them out of scraps. If you're looking for a present to take to someone, you can make these relatively quickly, and everyone's got a pile of interesting little scraps. So yeah, it's a good way to use up some of it. I hope you like it. Working with small pieces is always kind of fun, and I like using that double-sided tape method. Different people have different ways they like doing it, but that one works out really well for me. So if you have any other thoughts, things I could have done better, let me know which one of these three you prefer the best. Let me know that down below. I do read through all of the comments and I answer as many of them as I can get to. Plus, that does help out the channel. So thank you, as well as hitting the like, the share, subscribing. Really, that does help us. It helps the channel grow, gets in front of more people, and really a big benefit. If you'd like to help us a little farther, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all of the patrons on Patreon. And without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We are completely here because Patreons are helping us with the lighting, helping us with buying things and getting this going. We are completely sponsored by you. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about Patreon, you can do that in the description down below. There's a link there. Or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. And I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Normally at this point in the video, I tell a dad joke. However, I'm running a bit thin on them right now.